Exposing the secret to fixing your iPhone X back camera. Ready to solve those annoying issues once and for all? Step 1. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple reboot can work wonders. Step 2. Clean the camera lens with a microfiber cloth. Dust and smudges can mess with your photos. Step 3. Remove your case and any accessories. They might be causing interference. Step 4. Check for app interference. If the issue started after a new app, try uninstalling it. Step 5. Force quit and relaunch the camera app. Swipe up and flick it away, then reopen. If these don't work, update your iOS. Go to Settings. General Software Update. Reset all settings as a last resort. Go to Settings. General. Transfer or reset iPhone. Reset all settings. For persistent issues, it might be hardware related. Contact Apple support or visit an authorized Apple service provider. Remember, a quick fix is just a few steps away.